Yay, she found something on the black bag. Yeah. And this guy's name is Ref. R-U-F-F. Meet my buddy. Oh. Yeah. Yay. I don't even know how that.
This is so brilliant. I'm going to name this guy Squeaks because he squeaks when I do this. It's so funny. So silly. I love it. I'm so happy that
Oh. Oh. I don't think it was be me. That one just has like different colors. Like
squeeze his neck. Like a squeeze his head, and then I can squeeze his legs a little.
that's so funny. Oh, my buddy. My buddy.
Y'all both. Everybody needs to have showers today. All three of us need to have showers at one point today. Y'all all stink. I stink too. But one of the two of you has really bad BO.
Please let it up. Please let it up.
What today?
Oh. Okay.
You can have more than one thing from that bag in there.
Hey, this guy kind of looks like a twin for my other fox toy. Yeah, that's cute. I got 3 fox-looking guys. Got 1 wolf and 2 little fox guys. This one is tiny, so cute. Oh. Rah, rah, rah.
Lemon raspberry cake.
He's like, oh, I want it. Or like, he's crawling or he's jumping at something. Like he's like, yeah. Yeah. Do. Yeah. 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 Yay. Wee. Ow. That's his tail. Tail. Oh, I wonder what this guy's tail. I'm looking at the tails. Tail. You got a little tail. Oh, yeah. Tail. Oh my goodness. The biggest one.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, dude.
Yeah, they didn't write their name down.
Ah. I got my little buddies around here. Yeah.
He got both of ours?
Yeah.
Wow.
I made sure he called out your name, and I told him over here. And when I was looking at the thing, I saw my name on one of the boxes too.
Yeah.
All right, dollar store. Gotta get sodas.
Yay, this one
What
can
else do I have?
twin. He's a twin for my other guy. I like it. It's good. It's good.
Okay, angel food cake. That's
Good.
generous flour, tons of eggs.
Yeah, it's good.